Nebraska is home to one of the first four-year degrees in food technology for companion animals. This program combines food science, nutrition, and physiology to improve the health of companion animals. Graduates are fully prepared to work in areas of research and design, food safety, and operations for major pet food companies. In conjunction with food science and processing courses, students also take courses from the Department of Animal Science, such as animal products, anatomy and physiology of domestic animals, animal nutrition and feeding, and companion animal nutrition, among others. Graduates are in high demand for this unique program.
Large and small pet food companies are continuing to grow and to invest more in resources for the development of new products. Students coming from our program here at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln are uniquely qualified and educated for new product development and research testing that is of interest to the food companies. The starting salaries for our recent graduates working in the pet food industry have been phenomenal in comparison to their peers.
Students may also use the Food Technology for Companion Animals degree as a pre-veterinary program.
Since joining the FTCA program, I've been opened up to so many opportunities and various internships within the field. It's been really cool getting to take what I learned in the classroom and apply it to the internships. I've also been able to expand my knowledge on the health requirements of animals, and I couldn't be more thankful.
Additional perks for students in the Food Technology and Companion Animals major include classes in modern labs and classrooms at the Food Innovation Center, thousands of dollars in additional scholarship opportunities, and small class sizes that make the interactions between faculty and students more meaningful. Be one of the few in the country to graduate fully prepared to work in the fastest-growing manufacturing industries.